Good morning. Welcome to Shivaji Mahavidyalaya. So today we are going to start the chapter Study of Animal Type Cockroach. So this is one of the most important lesson in the 11th class. Study of cockroach. Type of cockroach, animal type of cockroach. Here in the today's class we will take only the introduction of this lesson. That too clearly. Look at here. The cockroach means it is not new for us. We will find it everywhere. In the house, in college, in school, in the farm, everywhere we will find it. So the cockroach is called as, they are omnipresent. Omnipresent means they are present everywhere. Present everywhere all over the world. They are present everywhere. Everywhere means where? They are present everywhere all over the world. All over the world. Everywhere it is there. In Udgir it is there, in Latur, in Mumbai, in Delhi, in other countries. Everywhere in the world. So they are called as omnipresent. Omni means everywhere. Present. They are present everywhere, all over the world. So cockroaches are present everywhere. Then they are found in where those will be prefer to live. They prefer to live in the damp, moist and dark places. Those will be live in damp, moist and dark places. They prefer to live where? Damp, moist, dark places. That place has to be damp, it has to be moist and dark. In the light, we cannot find the cockroaches. Those will be move away, will be on the lighted home. They will be move from there. So they prefer to live in the damp, moist and dark places, and also they live in the crevices. Crevices to live. What are crevices? Crevices means what here? The cracks which are present in the walls or in rocks. Small cracks wherever are there, in that cracks those will be go and settle. Means in the crack dark will be there, shade will be there. So in that places these cockroaches prefer to live. Where wet is there, moist is there. If the moisture is there, those will be prefer to live. Sometimes those will be live in the warm places, like under the gas stove. Those will be present. So there warm will be there. At night only those will be comes out. Cool will be there. At that time only those will be out. So those prefer to live in the dark, damp, moist, cool, shady, and they live in crevices. Means wherever the cracks are present, in that cracks those will be go and survive. This is regarding their habitat. Next, they are omnivorous. Omnivorous is the word Latin. Omnivorous. Omni means what here? Omnis means all. Omnivorous. Omnis means all. Ore means to devour. Devour meaning is what? Devour means to eat. Eat. The meaning of devour is to eat. Means omnivorous. Word meaning is all eaters. What they eat? All eaters means those will be eat the plants, animals, materials. They will eat plants as well as plants and animals, materials. So they are called as omnivores. They will eat plant as well as animals. Plant and animal materials, those will be preferred to live. So they are called as omnivorous. It is not carnivorous or herbivorous. We might be those. So carnivorous means only the animal eater. Herbivorous only herbs eater, plant eater. But these cockroaches, like a man, those will be eat both plant product as well as animal product. So they are called as omnivorous. Next, they are nocturnal. Nocturnal means what here? They will be active during the night time only. Those will be comes out in the night time only. So they are active at night. Daytime those won't comes out. दिन में बाहर नहीं आते हैं. Those will be come out only night. So they are nocturnal. Nocturnal meaning is those will be active during the night, and those will be take rest during day. Daytime those will be take rest. Like man is active during the daytime, and man will be take rest at the night. So they are called diurnal. Means daytime those will be active, but cockroaches night time it is active. So they are called as nocturnal animals. They are active at night. They are cursorial in nature. They have cursorial in nature. They are the fast runners. They are fast runners. When you see any cockroach, it will be start running. It run too fast. And wherever the small place where maybe it is, so it will be run too fast. So they are fast runners. So that nature is called as, that adaptation is called as cursorial adaptation. This adaptation has got by only cockroaches. So they are the cursorial in nature. They are fast runner, fast mover. Those will be move fast from one place to another place. They have wings. They can fly, but rarely they exhibit their ability to fly. Their flight is, they can fly because they have wings. They have wings. They can fly. They can fly, but those won't show their flight. They show their flight very rarely. They show their flight rarely. Rarely they show the flight. Very rarely they can be fly. Otherwise they have anyhow, those are the fast mover, fast runner. They can run fast. There is no need to fly. But they can fly, but rarely. Sometimes only they can be fly. Sometimes they can exhibit their flight. They have that ability, but they won't show that ability. They have a ability of acclimatization. Acclimatization means what here? They can adjust with any changing environment. summer, they will be present in the rainy, they may be present in the winter. Means all the seasons are suitable for them, and all the environmental changes, they can be adjust with that changes. That is called as acclimatization. Like as a man can be adjust with any climatic conditions. So same way here the cockroaches also have high ability of acclimatization. They can be get adjusted with the changing environment. So these are the qualities the cockroaches will be having. So now we'll see the some common species of cockroaches found in India. Some common species of cockroaches found in India. Cockroaches will be see everywhere, but which cockroaches are found in India, those species names we are common species of cockroaches found in India are Periplaneta americana, Blatta orientalis and Blatta germanica. These are the three species which are found in the India. Next we will see the systematic position of the cockroach. Here cockroaches comes under the kingdom Animalia, phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, genus Periplaneta and the species Americana. Out of that three we have taken one here. Genus Periplaneta and species Americana. Genus always begins with the capital letter and species begins with the small letter. So we have taken here Periplaneta americana. The kingdom Animalia, why it is placed into the kingdom Animalia? Because cell wall is absent. Cell wall is absent in these animals. Those are the animals that they do not have cell wall. So cell wall is absent and their nutrition is heterotrophic. Heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition. They are depend upon the other organisms for food. Heterotrophs. Autotrophs means they can make their own food. So these are the heterotrophic nutrition, means they are depend upon the other organisms for the purpose of food. So they are heterotrophic. This cockroach is placed in the phylum Arthropoda. Arthropoda is the largest phylum, biggest phylum. So why it is placed into this is because of they have a jointed legs. Arthro means jointed, poda in the sense legs. They have jointed appendages, segmented body, cockroach body has segments, lines are present, and the chitinous exoskeleton is present. Chitin is a polysaccharide. Chitin is polysaccharide. So on the body of the cockroach, a waxy tough layer is present. That is the exoskeleton. And exoskeleton is made up of this chitin polysaccharide. Their legs are jointed. Appendages in the sense legs. Jointed legs they have, and their body is segmented. Segments are present, and the two segments are present. Then chitinous exoskeleton is also present. That is why it is placed under the phylum Arthropoda. Then it is placed into the class Insecta because it has two pairs of legs they have. That is why it is placed into the class Insecta. Genus is Periplaneta because cockroaches are nocturnal and they have a straight wings. They have straight wings. That is why they have placed into the name has been given Periplaneta. Next, species Americana. The origin of this Periplaneta americana species of cockroach is America. Origin is America. That is what the name has been given here, Americana. Periplaneta americana. So, the common three species found in India are Periplaneta americana, Blatta orientalis, Blatta germanica. And the systematic position of the cockroach is kingdom Animalia because they have a salivary axis and heterotrophic in nutrition. Phylum Arthropoda, they have jointed appendages, segmented body, chitinous exoskeleton. Class Insecta, 2 pairs of wings, 3 pairs of legs they have. Then genus Periplaneta, they are nocturnal and straight wings they have. Species Americana because their origin is from the America. They have originated from the America. They come from the America through the world. That is what they got that name Periplaneta americana. So this is the introduction of the cockroaches and systematic position of the cockroach we have seen today, and the remaining part will be continued into the next lecture.